Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you why is there no sound on your iPhone videos. Once you record a video, let's go to the camera app. Hold on a second. I'm gonna take a video with the video mode, of course. Then, if I go to the Gallery app, to the Photos app, you'll see this recording. And there's no sound because this little button right here, you can see it, is muted. I need to click on it to unmute it. Just like that. You can also see it here. Mute it or unmute it. And that should help in most cases. Also make sure that the volume is turned up so you can hear it and that this button is unmuted. Also, if it still has no sound, then try going to the editing. You can see there's this editing button. Go into that, then click on this speaker in top left corner so it's unmuted. So it looks like this, then click on done. And now there should be sound in your video. If there's still not, then maybe there's a problem with your microphone. You can go to the settings, then go to apps, and go to camera or any other app that you used to record the video. See, I don't have the camera app right here. Oh, okay. Because the camera app is actually here. So there won't be a thing about the microphone because it just uses the microphone. It's the camera app, right? But for any other app, let's say you were recording it with, I don't know if I have an app that can record. Let's see if iMovie, no, iMovie can't record. Okay, let's say I wanted to record it with iMessage, with the Messages app. Yeah, oh, okay, never mind, it also doesn't have it, but some apps will have the microphone permission, right? So if you go to an app that has microphone permissions in it, like, I don't know, I don't know why I can't find any app here about the microphone, but yeah, if there's any microphone permission in any app then that you are using to record, then make sure that it's allowed. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.